Hi, my name is Marissa Lander. I'm from Mid-Missouri. I'm a mom of two, and we love animals. We have a horse and a husky Airedale mix, which is my little girl. Her name is Princess. I am in the paralegal program. Um, I don't feel I'm very good at public speaking because it gives me really bad anxiety. And I start to be one of those people that say, which is really not good because you need to know exactly your points, what you're going to be saying, and you need to get your point across without having multiple pauses. A person that I think that speaks very well to me is Ellen DeGeneres. She has a way of being funny as well as getting her point across and being very serious when it comes to that. I really hope to gain better public speaking just because it does make me scared a little bit. So hopefully this class will help. Have a great day, guys.